Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy to be here. So in today's video, I bring to you 50 phrases that are in Khelobedu. Well, they're in English. I'm going to translate them into Khelobedu. So I've written them and I've just placed this paper here. So when you see me looking like this, just know I'll be reading the 50 phrases that I want us to translate into Khelobedu. I know after this, so without wasting time, let's get down into the lesson. First and foremost, we're gonna start with greetings. In English, you will say hello, but in Khelobedu, it will depend with who you are talking to. If it is someone younger than you or same age as you, you will say Oyani. But if it is someone older than you, you will say Legai. The second phrase is my name is. In Khelobedu, you will say Lina laka ke. My name is Letlhogonolo. In Khelobedu, you will say Lina laka ke Letlhogonolo. I feel like Godwa ogare. Let's say you want to say I feel like eating. Godwa ogare ngaria. No. In Khelobedu, you will say awa. My love. With this one, it's quite tricky. People don't really love playing around with love with. So, but let's say it's you and your spouse. You want to say my love to your spouse. You will say muajaga. Though many people, even those that are just dating, will just call each other muajaga. Basically, muajaga is just rip off my rib, mohajaka, which has been used by males calling their females. But many people, women and men, just called each other muajaga. My girl, mnyana waka. Where are you going? Oyagai. Where are you from? Ugwawigai. I don't know. Agizivi. I don't know. Nkizivi. Where is this taxi going? Taxi ye iyagai. You are beautiful. In Khelobedu, you will say Uwozi. Can I accompany you? Dufeleje. Ngaufeleja. Both of them, they are right. I want to talk to you. Ginyaga wabaluwena. I will see you next time. Gidowona na goye idao. Let's say you're talking to someone. Come see. Idawone. How did it go? Zizamaile vyani. How did you go? Ozamaile vyani. Then let's say you're responding, it went well. Zizamaile abuzi. I went well. Gizamaile abuzi. I miss you so much. Gubudegamada. Where did you get that? Ntroye uikumani guy. I am just playing or I am just kidding. Giraloga luena. Girioban keraloga. Let's say you're telling someone that they are lying and you are lying, like you are lying. In Khelobedu, you will say, Onalemaka. I am bored. Giboreile. Godwa burudu. Have a good day. Here it will depend on who you are talking to. Letwe aboze. Lebelele jajile leboze if it's an older person. Or if it's someone younger than you, otwe aboze or obele lejajile leboze. Let's say you're telling someone about someone, she is kind or he is kind, you will say ona lebotro. But if you're talking to that person, you are kind, you will say ona lebotro. It sounds the same, but the pitch. Ona lebotro. Ona lebotro. Someone has, is kind, and then if it's that person in front of you, say ona lebotro. The pitch is a bit, down. In English, you will say that guy. In Khelobedu, you will say musimana yola. In English, that girl. In Khelobedu, munyana yola. I am going home. In Khelobedu, you will say giahaye or giagaye. Stop that. Lechazwe uziliao. I like you. Uantrakaja. What are you going to cook? Wabia ini. Let's say when you respond, you say, I'm going to cook pap. In Khelobedu, you will say Guabia woswa. When are you leaving? O zamaya lini or o do zamaya lini. Who is singing? Gimane aobelao. I am sorry. Ntshwarele. Gubela tshwarelo. Mine. This one will depend if you are addressing mine as in my person, mine, or mine, a thing. If it's a person, you'll say waka. And then if it's a thing, giyaga, yaga. In English, you'll say, what does it have to do with you? In Khelobedu, you'll say, ozena guy. Have respect. Ebalethompo. Send my regards. Obadumedise. Umudumedise. News riraba. I am so tired. In Khelobedu, you'll say, gilabilore. Gilabile gamanda. In English, you'll say, what is wrong? In Khelobedu, you'll say, bosharageni. What happened? In Khelobedu, you'll say, uliyeileni. I love meat. In Khelobedu, you'll say, giraranama. In English, you'll say, I am going. In Khelobedu, you'll say, giazamaya or giadoa. It is not me. In Khelobedu, you'll say, asinna. In English, you will ask this question as, who are you going with? In Khelobedu, you will say, ozamaya lemani. In English, you'll say, what are you traveling by? In Khelobedu, you will say, lezamaya ga eni or ozamaya ga eni, depending on who you're talking to. Okay guys, this was the end of our phrases. I am sure now you can speak Khelobedu, so whenever you meet me somewhere around the world, you'll be like, oh yani le thonolo, and I'll be like, yay. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Ke le rata ka madamada. Ke